Ooh, Colorado confirms farmers' right to repair. Colorado is the first state to pass a law guaranteeing farmers the right to repair their own equipment. Manufacturers will be required to provide parts, embedded software, firmware, tools, and any relevant documentation to equipment owners and independent repair providers. Failing to provide these resources will be considered a deceptive trade practice under Colorado law.
Very good. Very good.
Manufacturers will no longer be allowed to discourage owners from making their own repairs or require independent repair providers to undergo any kind of certification to become an authorized repair provider. So it just has to be, free market, and you have to be a good repair provider and have a good reputation, and business will come, and that's how it's supposed to work. John Deere stated that the law is unnecessary. Oh, yeah. And will have unintended consequences for its customers. Well, yeah, unintended by you. We know what your intentions were, you jackasses. John Deere is facing a class action lawsuit for alleged monopolization of repair services, as well as several antitrust lawsuits. Now, I can't wait for this to come for the McDonald's ice cream machines.
Well, there's actually like a bunch of, do you know about that? Some contract that they have where they
that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
There are currently 15 other states with pending right to repair legislation for farmers, and Colorado has recently passed another law ensuring the right to repair motorized wheelchairs.
Oh, cool. I didn't really think about that, but that totally makes sense.
Is this finally happening?
Slowly, but maybe. I keep hearing, whenever this type of stuff happens, I keep hearing like, oh yeah, right to repair win. And then a few days later you hear like,
yeah, but it's bad.
Yeah.
This one
in the
seems,
same bill, they snuck in a bunch of stuff.
This one seems like it might actually be good.
It seems, yeah.
Which is really, really exciting.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, Floatplane Chat. All my homies hate monopolies. 100%. Exactly.